This is a fresh piece of ginger. We've placed it gently on a glass of clean water. The bottom of the ginger is touching the water. And now we'll wait to see something amazing happen. Here comes a little more water, just a tiny bit. We are topping up the glass so the ginger stays moist. Perfect! Now the ginger will get everything it needs to start growing. Wow! Look closely. Tiny white roots are beginning to grow from the bottom of the ginger. They're reaching down into the water, getting longer and stronger. And look at the top. Green shoots are sprouting. Slowly, they rise higher, turning into beautiful ginger leaves. Day by day, the roots spread, the stems grow taller, and our ginger becomes a real plant. Isn't nature amazing?